Welcome to Bombay Engineering Works. Today, we introduce our Bombaying Fluid Bed Dryer, an advanced, high-performance drying solution crafted for efficiency, precision, and compliance. Built for the pharmaceutical and allied industries, this fluid bed dryer is designed with cutting-edge technology to streamline the drying process, ensuring both quality and safety in production. One of the standout features of our fluid bed dryer is its commitment to CGMP compliance. Constructed to meet stringent regulatory standards, this dryer embodies our dedication to providing quality, safe, and reliable solutions for industries that depend on excellence. Our model is reinforced with two-bar construction for added durability and safety. It includes 3-stage filtration with 10 μ, 3 μ, and 0.3 μ filters, providing clean, controlled air for the drying process, eliminating contaminants, and ensuring the purity of your product. Precision control is vital in fluid bed drying, which is why our dryer offers exact temperature control with an accuracy of ±1 degree C. This precision helps maintain product quality, ensuring uniform drying without risking product degradation. For seamless and efficient cleaning, our fluid bed dryer is PLC controlled with a wash-in-place (WIP) system. This automated cleaning ensures every part of the dryer is thoroughly cleaned between batches, meeting the highest hygiene standards with minimal downtime. Safety is a cornerstone of our design. Our dryer is built with a certified explosion relief flap and constructed from flame-proof materials for maximum safety. Additionally, we've included a positive earthing device, helping prevent static buildup and creating a safe environment for operators. The machine's finish is as premium as its construction. With a mirror finish, it not only looks professional but is also easy to clean and maintain, ensuring compliance with GMP standards. Proper airflow is essential in fluid bed drying, and our machine is fitted with a multi-pocket filter bag. This design ensures optimal air suction, with perfect porosity and permeability for efficient, uniform drying across every batch. Technology drives precision. Our PLC and color touchscreen MMI provide intuitive control, offering 21 CFR Part 11 compliance and SCADA compatibility. This ensures secure data logging, intelligent process control, and enhanced safety throughout production. For those needing validation support, our fluid bed dryer comes with DQ, IQ, and OQ documentation, simplifying the validation process and assuring compliance with regulatory standards. When it comes to the lab fluid bed dryer, this scaled-down model offers all the benefits of our full-sized dryer with unique advantages. It's highly efficient and sturdily built, requiring low capital investment and offering easy maintenance and control. Its high heat transfer rate not only enhances drying efficiency but also contributes to significant energy savings. In summary, the Bombaying Fluid Bed Dryer combines advanced technology, robust safety features, and precise control to meet the demands of today's pharmaceutical and industrial applications. It's a dryer that promises not only performance and quality but also peace of mind, knowing you're working with the best in the industry. Thank you for choosing Bombay Engineering Works. For more details, reach out to us and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest machinery solutions. Contact us, details are given on the screen.